Fabulous. Being a member of the jury for the sixth year, I think this year has been very, very exciting in terms of music, films, everything, whatever I've seen. But the best part of the Mirchi Awards is you get to select the best amongst the best by the members of the jury who are also performers, who are directors, who are singers, who are composers, one of them being me. And there have been a lot of discussions per se about the best talent. And we may spring up some surprises as far as the awards are concerned. But some, of course, you know in your heart of hearts, this person, he or she's going to get it.
What does the jury really keep in mind, especially this year? What are the main
I mean, we've kept originality, which is very important. We've kept tune formations, which are melodic. We've kept singers who have been a little edgy, which is also very important. Songs must have done well, but the singers, how much they have contributed, how much has the composer contributed, the lyric writers, what have they done? And there have been album numbers, there have been Sufi numbers, there have been a gamut across the spectrum, and it's been very, very time consuming, and a lot of hard work has gone into it. But the result is going to be fantastic.
one issue that is plagued the music industry, particularly this year, has been the royalty issue. It's not been spoken
We have all, we have spoken about it. Our take is that we are all standing together and trying to understand and make the producers and the audio companies understand that the amount of hard work that goes into making music, and we are asking for a rightful dues. And hopefully there are some people who are coming around. There have been a lot of discussions on it, and let's hope things work out now.
Can you leave us with your favorite pick? Can you sing a line of your favorite song this year?
I see that won't be fair because being a member of the jury, but I would put a little shairi andaz and whatever comes to my mind about music. कि संगीत बनाना, this is happening right now, okay? संगीत बनाना इतना आसान नहीं, संगीत बनाना इतना आसान नहीं, मेहनत का काम है तब जाके मिलता है रिवॉर्ड. आपकी रोटी 100% पक्की है, आपकी रोटी 100% पक्की है अगर आपको मिल जाए रेडियो मिर्ची का अवार्ड. So that's what music is all about. All the best.
आपकी स्पॉटिफाई
हाँ.
आपकी स्पॉटिफाई इज ऑलवेज वर्क और जिस तरह से कंटिन्यू म्यूजिक एक जज्बा है आर्टिस्टी बड़ा फैला हुआ है आइडिया को लेके हर चीज पे चुकी है आपको लगता है
I wouldn't want to fix on that. I wouldn't want to talk about it right now because I'm in the mood to talk about only music. We can talk about this later on, but not at this point of time. Guys, enjoy the Music Mirchi Awards, and anyone watching this, watch out for the show on Colors between, I think it's on the 16th of March, between 7 and 10. You'll love the show. Thank you.
take care enjoy
इतने सारे Well, it's the sixth year, and I've been part of it ever since it evolved 6 years back. And the expectations have grown, and so has the Mirchi Awards. And I think it's going to be a marvelous show tonight, and most genuine awards, because these are awards by the music fraternity itself to our fellow members. So I see it's the best thing to do happen. Well, the newness, the format of melodies, the commerciality aspects, and I mean, whatever touches your heart and whatever makes you feel happy and nice is good music. So I go by that judgment. Yeah. I do have. I like Tum Hi Ho very much this year. It's a melodious number. It's got something new, and it's got a melody and a fresh voice that's made it work. I don't want to give it away, but I'm sure this is going to be shown later on. I've liked Arijit. Arijit, I've been knowing him for a little while now, and I knew that some year it would be his year, and I'm sure this year he's done quite a bit of good work. Yeah. Thank you.
to look at to see names which usually are not just about popular but good. Just because it's popular does not mean it's always good. And Radio Mirchi really stands for good music, which is what I'm expecting here. Standout song. Actually, what really makes works for me is the fact that this is one of the only awards I know which across film and non-film it works, which is fantastic. Ashiki 2 has been outstanding this year, and I think every song of mine is a favorite. Thank you.
ऑनेस्टली कोई भी उम्मीद लेकर नहीं आई हूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ क्योंकि पहला मिर्ची म्यूज़िक अवार्ड है और 3 नॉमिनेशंस मिल गए हैं. सो रियली एक्साइटेड और बहुत ज़्यादा टफ कंपटीशन है. सबके गाने बहुत अच्छे, सबने बहुत अच्छा गाया है. सो जस्ट फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. सभी बहुत अच्छे हैं बट माई पर्सनल फेवरेट श्रेया जी सुन रहा है ना, एंड आई थिंक दैट हैज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग चांस टू विन. तू ही मुझको बता दे, चाहूँ मैं आना, अपने तो दिल का बता दे, चाहूँ मैं आना. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो मच. आज मैं 4 साल से आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन द बेस्ट पार्ट इज टुडे इवन आई हैव नॉमिनेटेड फॉर बेस्ट एल्बम एंड इट्स वन ऑफ द वेरी हैप्पी मोमेंट फॉर मी. So thank you guys. Wish me luck. Thank you so much. I think मैं एक jury member भी हूँ. That also makes me feels very special about the whole thing. And ये musical award है. And of course I'm a musical man, so that also makes me special there. गठड़ी बन पीड़ वे अड़िया, कौन फरीद फकीर वे अड़िया, इश्क मसीदी मैं बस वड़िया, ना घर बार ना देश फरीदा. Thank you guys. About? Yeah, of course I like cricket. मैं तो सब देखता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए. सो आई लव एंटरटेनमेंट. मैं WWE के मैचेस भी देखता हूँ. मुझे पता है कि वो भी फिक्स है, लेकिन फिर भी वी एंजॉय वॉचिंग देम. सो मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली एंजॉय द क्रिकेट एंड एंजॉय द फन. आई एम ओके विद एवरीथिंग. एंटरटेनमेंट होना चाहिए.
Very good. Thank you so much. Hi. I am here to brush up on all the beautiful music that has happened last year, because I missed out on a lot of films, but music is something that I do listen to. So, I want to refresh all that. Yes, very much. I'm ready with it. I have my favorite 3. Ashiki goes without saying. The first one would be Manja. I really like that song. The second would be I also like Tu Rang Sharbaton Ka. That would be my third choice. And the second one would be I just remembered it. I'm forgetting it. Extremely. I love soulful Sufi. I love when I love to dance. I love Batamiz Dil also. That's what the question was right now. So I said I love those songs as well. But when it comes to your most favorite, then it's soulful music. As well, I don't mind it. I'm such a bad one with that because I really like Shilpa Rao. Yeah, that's a very good question. I think Shilpa Rao and Noor and Sisters. आई थिंक क्रिकेट तो नशा है हमारे देश में, तो ऑफ कोर्स कोई भी नशा छोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आप जानते भी हैं, समझते भी हैं, फिर भी नहीं छोड़ पाते हैं. तो आई थिंक एक वो एंगल है इसमें. लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड लाइक इट इफ़ वी गेट मोर एथिकल एंड रीजनेबल अबाउट इट. जहाँ पे एक तरफ, बिकॉज मैंने फिल्म भी की है एक हॉकी पे, और मेरा दिल भी अपने नेशनल स्पोर्ट के लिए उतना ही ज़्यादा धड़कता है अभी भी. सो आई वुड से लाइक इट शुड बी लाइक अ बिट बैलेंस्ड, बिकॉज दे शुड बी लाइक, आई अंडरस्टैंड एंटरटेनमेंट, बट आई थिंक देयर कुड बी लाइक अ ब्यूटीफुल मिड वे टू इट. यार मुझे देखो, लुकिंग एट द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड, यू नो, मनी हैज़ बिकम एवरीथिंग. सो ऑफ कोर्स सब कहेंगे कि नहीं करते हो तो बेवकूफ़ हो शायद, बट पर्सनली आई फील इट्स एन एथिकल स्टैंड. And I think, whatever we do really matters. Every single action that we take matters. So I would not like to be associated or be like that idea.